Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to use Flipgrid. So what I have just done is I've taken whatever code that I will provide for you on your Canvas course page and I've entered it in. And I've also made sure that I was logged into my Noblesville Schools Gmail account. So you have to be logged into your Noblesville Gmail account. If you're not, it's not going to let you in. So anyway, you log in your email, then you type in whatever PIN I give you, and then you get to this home screen. So what you need to do next is click on the white. So we click it, and here we are. So you're going to have the camera looking at you, and the next thing that you got to do is add your squirrel. So what I've done is I have drawn my squirrel into Notability. So all I did was I took a screenshot of it, and now it's in my camera photos. So to add that photo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this right button in our control menu right here. So I click that, and I find my squirrel right here, and click on it. So there's my squirrel, and I am going to expand it so it takes up the entire backdrop. So now I'm ready to record. So all you got to do is knock these things out with the recording. So first, click the recording button, which is this red camera at the bottom. And now I'm taking a recording of myself recording a recording on a recording. So first we want to take the pen function, and first I'm going to write my island. So let's say I had island A, so I write it nice and big up front at the beginning, so somebody's watching this knows what what island I was on. And then I point out the adaptations that my squirrel has that helps it survive. So one, it's distractingly muscular, and it's able to crush people's skulls within its large, distracting pecs. And then let's say it also has a bushy tail that can suffocate adversaries. And in the event that it's overwhelmed by a superior predator, it is disarmingly cute. So it's so cute that the predator does not want to kill it and can't. So there we go. Now you would have to take it a step further to explain how your squirrel is able to survive on the island using its adaptation. So I'm done. I click pause, and my video's done. So now what do? Well, I click in the lower right-hand corner where it says the play button. It gives me the playback of my video. And then I don't really have any desire to edit, but if you want, you can tap the clip, and you can edit it in whatever way you want. And then what we're going to do is click this green arrow in the bottom right-hand corner. And I'm back to the screen. Now this may confuse you, but all you're doing at this step is you are going to take a snapshot of your squirrel to identify it so people can see it on the Flipgrid menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my photos, and you know what? I'm going to have a little fun. So instead of using the squirrel, hey, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to write the island that I had to live on, which is, let's say, Island A, okay? So then that's it. That's how you use Flipgrid. Now, ideally, in the background, you would use your squirrel, but, you know, that's how you use Flipgrid. So now that I'm done, I click Take a Picture, and then I click on the green arrow yet again, and then this is what I have to do. I need to type my name, so Mr. B. And then add a title optional. You know what? When you do that, let's add a title and say your island. So put Island A as a title, as another form of information to show your classmates what island you have. And then I don't need to attach a link, so I'm done. And then submit my video. And then there you go. That's how you use Flipgrid.